Welcome to the ECOO Smart Admin channel. Today we're going to take you through a tutorial on how to upload an Excel spreadsheet against your shipment. Guys, it's going to save you a stack of time. You can export data out of your line of business app and literally re-import it into Smart Admin and have your shipment ready to go for submission to a chamber, ready to approve with literally 2 to 3 minutes. This is going to save you heaps of time. So let's get started. So let's first log in. I already captured a shipment just to save us some time. So here's shipment 6307. Here you can see there's a whole lot of header information. No commercial invoice, no certificate of origin. So if I click on commercial invoice, there you see you have three options. Upload an external doc, upload plain text or an Excel file, or I manually capture the content of my commercial invoice. This is great if you've got like 1 or 2 lines, but you can imagine if you have 20, 30, 40, 50 lines, you're going to literally be here all day, and that's not what we want to do. Often a good question is, what is the difference between an external document and a plain text or Excel file option? So good question. Generally Excel document, or rather external documents, that's generally like a PDF, a file that we can't manipulate or change. So generally that we just reference that document. A plain text or Excel file upload option gives us the ability to actually upload the content of a file and read the content and store that as the physical lines of the commercial invoice. And I'll show you that now. So let's select that. Great, that'll redirect you to the upload commercial invoice wizard. Here, there's 4 steps. We need to choose your file. I'm going to view the content of the file I've just selected. And I need to configure the mapping. So the system is expecting X amount of columns, and our file is going to have columns in it. We need to just obviously match them up. So marks is marks, product code is product code, etc., etc. And then we're going to confirm that mapping and then upload it. So great. Let's just navigate and talk through the screen. So here's a control to actually select the file. We'll come back to that. So what do you need to know? What are some important things that you really need to know here? We support 3 types of file extensions: TXT, CSV, and XLS, which is Excel. Underneath that, we demonstrate basically what the file structure needs to be. So I need to have a product code, description, origin, quantity, and price. Now, they don't have to be called exactly these column headers. This is just for demonstration purposes. But I need these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Nothing more, nothing less. No embedded images, no header information in Excel, specifically in Excel spreadsheets. You can see at the top there generally. So if you get stuck, here's some templates over here. So this would be an example of a TXT template. So there you can see plain and simple, tabular format, columns and rows. That's it. I'll come back to the Excel spreadsheet option now. The next important point is that the file cannot be more than 10 meg. This is primarily for security purposes and performance of the system itself. Again, if you'd like to go through any of these tutorials again, there's some useful links here. If you click on them, they'll open up our YouTube channel directly. And so, for example, this is the tutorial on how to convert an Excel spreadsheet to a vertical pipe file, a vertical pipe delimited file. We'll come back to that. So let's get going. So let's download this template. Now, generally what you would have done here is that you would have exported the data out of your line of business app, such as SAP or whatever your line of business application is. So if we open it up to show you the content, see, a little bit eager there. So there you can see this is my Excel spreadsheet. There's the information there. So it has marks, product, origin, quantity, price, and description. So let's go ahead and upload that. So I'm going to go choose it. So download, just downloaded that, select it. Once I've selected, click upload. It's uploaded the document on the server. There I can see it's 6 KB big. Click next. So this is basically the content that I've just shown you. Click next. So this is great. So now it's asking me, Justin, these are the columns that we need in the system. These are the columns in your Excel spreadsheet. So what's quite nice is that you only have to do this mapping once, because once you've done this once, then you never have to change this mapping. But of course you can. Or alternatively, if you export the Excel spreadsheet out of System A, you can create a new mapping for System A, for example. So you can go ahead and call this System A, and you can say yes, this has headings. Which is your description? Go look for your description now that was in your Excel spreadsheet. Say that's the one. Marks, origin, price, product code, and quantity. So you can click save. Great. So now I always have that mapping. So if I get another file from system B which has a different mapping, then I can go ahead and create a new mapping for system B. But the file that I'm just demonstrating I got from system A. So let's just go ahead and say yes, that's from system A, and look, there we go, there's my mapping there. So click next, and there you can see marks is marks, product is product, origin, quantity, price, and description. But let's just say one of them was mixed around. So let's just demonstrate that quick. So let's say product code was description, and description was accidentally muddled with product code. So if you click next, there you can see marks, product code. That looks a bit wrong. So you can see something doesn't line up there. So let's just go back. So we just say no, that's description, and quantity is quantity over there. Fantastic. Let's click next. Marks, product, origin, quantity, price, description. Fantastic. So now we're ready to go. Click finish and upload document. This is now basically uploading the contents of your document and storing it against the commercial invoice. So if I scroll down here, voila. Now, I mean, in this demonstration, we've only uploaded 2 rows, but you can imagine the amount of time I've saved if this had 20, 30, 40 rows, even thousands of rows. All right, guys, I hope that helps. Any questions, drop us an email on support@ECOO.co.za. Yeah, have a good day. Thanks. Bye.